I'll be showing you step by step how to remove the shipping calculated at checkout text. And so the text I'm talking about here applies to most Shopify themes off the bat, where on the cart page, it's going to say something like taxes, discounts, and shipping calculated at checkout. And I'll be showing you how to remove this step by step here. Before I dive into it, I want to introduce you to my very own Shopify theme that's built to make your store more sales and more money. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. So to go and edit that cart text, let's start from the Shopify dashboard. From there, we're going to head to our theme editor, and this can be accessed here on the online store tab on the left-hand side. This should open up your themes section automatically. And from there, I'm currently using Dawn. This can apply to just about any Shopify theme that has this. And it used to require you to go and edit some code, but we can do it quite easily here by clicking on the three dots, then heading down to edit default theme content. Now from there, it's going to show us all the default language for our store, and it's broken up into several sections such as the newsletter, onboarding, localization, and so on. What I'm going to do is head back to the cart page here. I'm just going to copy this exact text here, because it's going to make it easier to find. From there, under filter items, I'm just going to paste this in by pressing Control V or Command V. We can see it's shown up here under cart. And it's this exact text that's on the cart page. So all we need to do is just remove it and then hit save at the top here. If I head back to my cart page and just reload it by pressing Control R or Command R, I can see that text is now gone, and it's not distracting the user anymore in their checkout process. So overall, it's a pretty simple process there. We just had to go into our theme content editor and just remove that default text. To note, this is just going to apply to almost any Shopify theme here. To note that if you do publish a new theme, you have to go and redo this again, as that is the default text there. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. You have all your costs from your cost of goods sold, transaction fees, monthly expenses, and then all your ad spend from all your different ad accounts. It can be difficult to get a true understanding of your Shopify store. And that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, your Shopify store, and your cost of goods sold. And once it's set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, letting you make smarter business decisions. From there, you have a ton of different analytics, metrics, and calculations displayed in an easy to read dashboard, along with many other breakdown reports. You can test drive everything for yourself with a 15-day free trial, and I'll leave a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify App Store directly, where you can set up that free trial. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then taking a look for this logo in the top left here. This concludes the video on how to remove the shipping calculated text on the cart page. If it helped at all, I would love it so much if you smashed that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.